Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Matt Lovelady here, Oceaneer Marine Brokers. We're down south of Perth this afternoon, in which this vessel we're listing is a Black Watch 40. Custom game boat, highly specified throughout. And she's been built to AMSA survey spec and is still in current AMSA survey for 8 passengers and 2 crew. I'm standing up on the flybridge and we've got owner-operator Chad Mills up on the game tower with Oceaneer Marine Broker Lachlan Boyd. In a moment we'll see how this boat performs as we get out the heads of Mandurah Marina, as I just said before, just south of Perth, Western Australia. This Black Watch 40 is really nicely spec'd and ready for sail. We're powered by twin Caterpillar C9 engines, coupled with a nice genset downstairs for all auxiliary systems, pumping out 220 volts. The legend has it that this specific Black Watch 40 is the most expensive Black Watch 40s built to date. Now Graham McCloy might be able to clarify that at one stage. Not sure if he's watching. She's an incredible outfit. Chad's operating the helm upstairs there. Manoeuvre the boat really nicely from that game tower as if you're backing down on some fish. Chad and his team have operated this vessel for about 6 years and have had quite a successful game fishing campaign. And the ever reliable and durable Black Watch 40 hull has kept them safe and sound and their passengers. Has raised many billfish along with others. Looking good up there, gents. If we can give us a run through the RPM paces, that'd be great. As Chad comes downstairs here, talk a bit about the Faruno electronics.